Part 3 is a little demonstration of the system. I'm showing you the normal screen of the Spectrum DX8. You see, there's nothing special on this screen because the system is not connected yet. I did not plug in the main pack. So let's see now what happens if I do. I'm just plugging in the Beans connector, doing nothing more, same hardware as shown before. And you see we have a little symbol up here in the left upper corner. So that means the telemetry system is active. I'm just showing you. I don't know if you can see this, but we have the orange LED lights all solid on the system. There's one here on the module also, and of course the receiver and the satellite. So now we are going back to the screen of the transmitter. I hope this is alright. And maybe you remember I did put the setting in the telemetry setup that I wanted to see the data automatically. So you might be wondering, oh, I don't see a thing. If we move the throttle now, simply, okay, moving throttle up a bit, you see what changes. I did not touch any other thing. You have a telemetry screen. Just gonna put some light in it, might be better. Okay, like this. So what does it say? It says the main voltage pack is 48.7 volts. That's our 12S pack. The receiver gets 5.7 volts. That's the output of the back. No RPM, of course, because I don't have the sensor. Temperature of the temperature sensor is 23 degrees Celsius. Time is running, of course. I'm closing throttle again to stop it. And then at the right we have frame losses and holds that might have occurred. Now this is not the only screen. If you touch the roller, just one click, you get a second one. And this is a flight log screen. This gives you information about antenna losses that might have occurred. There is a left and right antenna, the main and auxiliary antenna, again the frames and the holes, receiver pack. And now we can go to a third screen if you want. This is real-time data, large numbers to see them all, main pack voltage, no RPM, and 23 degrees Celsius for the sensor of the temperature. Now the last screen is this one. It's the minimum and maximum screen. You see minimum voltage on the main pack was 48.7. Yeah, we didn't have a flight, of course. Maximum 48.8. When we started, RPMs could indicate between 0 and the number of RPMs you already did. And then you have minimum and maximum temperature. Now a nice thing to do is to touch the temperature sensor with your hands. I'm doing it right now, and see what happens. You see in the right bottom corner, max temperature is going up just because I'm touching it with my fingers. We are at 32 degrees Celsius maximum temperature, and now I'm not touching it again, just leaving it alone, and maximum will stay on 33 degrees Celsius. Minimum will and should stay at 23. But if we take the previous screen, then we see it's going down again, 28 degrees Celsius. That's the actual temperature, 27. It's cooling down because I don't touch it anymore. Just to show you again, we go again to the min-max screen. You see, here we are already at 26. Yes, still remembers 23 and 33 as minimum and maximum. We'll do the same for the voltage of the main packs and the RPMs. So after your flight, before switching off the transmitter, you can check all these values. I'm just going back to the screens one by one. This is the last screen. This is the telemetry screen with the big numbers. You see we are at 24 degrees now. and then we have the flight log screen, and finally the telemetry screen that can be shown automatically if you wish. If you just do one more roll, you come back to the normal flight screen. Thank you.